This past week, for some unexplainable reason, the air raid sirens all across Russia, from basically the East Coast all the way across Russia to St. Petersburg, air raid sirens would go off. Like people look around and say, they're off. Now, could be explained that it's something in the atmosphere or something from the sun, or somebody in cyber warfare got onto their system. But any city that it was tied in that had an air raid siren, they went off. Not all the time, basically the most at 10 seconds, which is very disturbing if it's 2 o'clock in the morning, which it seems that, yes, they were about 2 o'clock in the morning. And every time zone at this time zone at 2 o'clock, they're on for 10 seconds. When this time zone over here goes the whole thing, they're on for 10 seconds, and the same thing all the way across. They have yet to figure out how it was done. Maybe Ukrainians did it. Cyber warfare did it. They blame it on the United States, of course, and the CIA, but nobody knows why. Which is could be very simple. Is if they really need an air raid siren to go off and it doesn't go off, like we have air raid signals here that they used to be for the Cold War, when they're civil defense things, but now they signal lightning, tornadoes, heavy winds, try to alert people to hear them. The way our homes are built, soundproof,